Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. Peace here, standing outside of Whitmore Lake Elementary School here in Whitmore Lake. I just got done speaking to the kindergarten through sixth graders here at the building today and got to stay for lunch with some of them and just spend the afternoon there too, talking with some teachers, sharing my heart. Very emotional day, heart heavy. A lot of the stories I share about kids in pain that are going through a lot but still choose love. And there were so many people that came up to me after my talks, probably a line of 30 or 40 students after each assembly that just had something on their heart that they wanted to get off. And there was a lot of tears, but like I told them, tears are strength. They're the sweat of our strength. They're the start of healing and feeling again. And really it started to deal with some of that pain that they were suppressing and they were feeling numb before, but finally starting to get past that. And once they are, they become healed to start to fully help and heal other people that might be in the same situation. So guys, thanks for touching my heart, talking about bullying today, seeing people for their heart first and for miracles before anything else. Keep spreading the love, keep spreading the peace. Obviously standing outside here in front of the peace pole, and just keep being the light. Much love. Peace.